Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can fix call problem in your device Samsung A73 5G and A53 5G. So if you're having any problem related to calls in your device Samsung A73 5G and A53 5G, you can fix them all by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix any problem related to calls in your device.